Please give me that pink throw for my glitzy baby girl.
I am pregnant too. I need it for my Calabasas. Wish I was really in Malibu, baby.
I am going to open up a new store called Baby Mama Stylish Ho-Star with grubby grandma and potentially heroin-addicted spoiled baby. A store for celebrity children born out of wedlock, and I am going to feature this blanket there.
God, how does Bruce Jenner put up with you all?
Excuse me.
Even your sis Chloe's man toy squad is looking like a good spouse compared to that dull Minnesota basketball playing Chris you chose. I am keeping this damn blanket for my potentially violinist reggae-loving daughter.
Listen, my baby is going to wear Dior. Can you say that?
Listen, with all the nonsense Kanye has carried on over the years, you are going to have your hands full with 2 babies after the serotonin kick from all the sex you've been having wears off. Do you remember the music awards when Kanye insulted Taylor Swift? He is lucky that Twilight guy didn't turn into a wolf and chew his ass up.
My kids are going to have playdates with Ink, Jay-Z and Beyoncé's kid. I need the damn blanket. I have to keep up.
Look, special order it from the manufacturer. This one is going to St. Jude's before it is going to you.
Oh, they just tweeted me from the OB's office that I am having a boy. You can keep your damn middle-class Pepto-Bismol pink throw. I just found out that I am having Ink's future husband and I don't need a retirement plan.
Someone needs to give me some money for putting up with this witch at this store.